Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. The evidence of PW3 is to the effect that when he was in the village, PW1 Chito Yadav came and informed him that a quarrel is taking place between the appellants and the prosecution party, and when he came to the spot, he noticed the presence of appellants on the one hand and Mahavir Mistri and others, on the other, full stop. He further stated that PW9, PW12 and PW13 went to their house and closed it from inside, and when he asked about the incident, he heard the voice of PW12 telling him that his life is in danger and the information be given to the police, full stop. PW12, however, did not mention in his Farbadayan about the coming of PW3 to the place of occurrence or his requesting him, to inform the police about the incident, full stop. PW8, the doctor at the government hospital, Jhajha, stated that he treated PW9, PW12, PW13 and deceased Mahavir Mistri in the hospital, full stop. The nature of injuries he noticed, were also mentioned, full stop. As regards Mahavir Mistri, he stated that 2 simple injuries were found on his body, full stop. PW15, the investigating officer stated that after recording the further bayan of PW12, he proceeded to the hospital and there he found the persons being given treatment and that one of the appellants was also being treated in the hospital at that time, full stop. If PW12 was also being treated simultaneously with other injured, the question how he was at the place of occurrence when PW3 heard his voice, or when PW15 visited that place, remains unexplained, full stop. From the evidence of PW8, it was clear that Mahavir Mistri was referred to the hospital at Jamui on finding his condition to be serious, full stop. However, no doctor who treated the deceased at Jamui was examined, full stop. The only evidence that is available from Jamui is the post-mortem prepared by Dr. Dharmaraj Rai, PW7, full stop. According to the evidence of PW7, he noticed as many as 4 injuries on the person of Mahavir Mistri, full stop. There is substantial difference between the nature of injuries noticed by PW8 on the one hand and PW7 on the other, full stop. The 2 additional injuries found on the dead body of the deceased remained unexplained, full stop. The record is also silent about the time of occurrence, full stop. The post-mortem report is not specific as to the cause of death, and the prosecution failed to attribute the fatal injury to any particular appellant, full stop. It is brought to our notice that there was a case and counter case, so much so that most of the prosecution witnesses were convicted by the trial court for the offences under section 324 and 307, IPC, but were acquitted in appeal, full stop. It becomes clear that there was a free scuffle or quarrel between the two groups of persons resulting in injuries to persons on both sides, full stop. The prosecution failed to establish that the death of Mahavir Mistry was on account of any specific injury, much less that any of the appellants had caused the injury, full stop. Even if it is provided that it may not be necessary to prove the fatal injury, the very origin of the case against the appellant is found to be shaky and defective, full stop. PW 12 categorically stated that he protested against the contents of the Fard Bayan, full stop.